Third, sustainable development. Sustainable applied to sustainable socioeconomic development, and one field four lines in the document note and the Brooklyn Report 1987. The field of sustainable development can be divided conceptually into the three parts: ecological, economic, and social development. Sustainable architecture. Also known as green architecture, is a conception of architectural design in sustainable manner, seeking to use natural resources to minimize the environmental impact of buildings on the environment and its inhabitants. The project selected to display the principle of sustainable development in the City Hall building by architect Norman Foster. Norman Foster is a British architect. He studied architecture at Manchester University and later obtained a scholarship to continue his study at Yale University. Is one of contemporary architects with great international recognition. The design was to create a building for other leading authorities. It is located in the part most developed area of London. The way they build the City Hall is a distinctive glass globe with the aim of building cabinet assembly and assembly office for staff of the leading authorities. The connected is justified in terms of two functions: an environment through the reduction of the glass surface of the facade and other policies. In conventional terms, the building has no front or back. Its shape is derived from geometrically modified stairs. This key frame for was designed to minimize surface area exposed to direct sunlight. The building is 45 meters high and 10 floors. The building is very attractive inside, with enormous internal ramp that leads from the entrance halls to lobby and exhibition hall to gazebo that is located on floor 10. The other whole small area of 25 to kilo of the same volume, which leads to a small amount of material used for construction and least surface exposure to heat in winter and air conditioning in summer. The energy strategy for city halls allow you to run a quarter of energy consumed as consumed typical office building. This is accomplished through the use of some ecological, passive systems, environmental control, but also with the shape and alignment of buildings. The surface of the building achieves large energy efficiency. The plants are displaced from the center to the southwest one mood, creating nature shade during the Earth's intense light. The building is naturally ventilated with windows that opening every room as office. The heat generated by computer and light is recycled. The combination of this energy-saving system means there is no need for refrigeration in the building. The power consumption is reduced by avoiding the use of air conditioning and use in place a network of cold water drawn from underground, which is also results in toilets and irrigation of gardens. Steel structure to 100 tons in the skeleton of the building, built with nearly 2,000 tons of concrete and 30,000 square feet of glass, of which 7,300 are offered a special king of grade glass for climate control. The angle of inclination of the facade is 31 degrees in diameter. The City Hall building emergency purposes sustainable architecture, having as reference the principle of sustainable design. Among the principles that meet the City Hall is low impact material, energy efficiency, design for reuse and recycling, service substitution, renewability, robust eco-design. In conclusion, sustainable architecture creates large social impact on the population and this good example needed in each local community to tell the society way forward. In this situation, there is the possibility of improving technology and social organization so that the environment can recover at the same rate that is affected by human activity.